Okay, Leo, let's see what exciting things are happening to you in the next 30 days from the time na mapanood mo ang reading na to. So this is a general reading, just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages, and thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay, pa-follow, like na rin ng ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mystic Queen PH. Like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang. Okay. Let's see, Leo. Exciting things happening in the next 30 days. 10 of Swords. Oh. So, number 10 is about ending a situation that is stressing you out, no? Yung mga bagay na nakakapagpasakit ng ulo nyo. Oo. Siguro yung iba sa inyo tinitiis nyo lang, may pwedeng you are in a toxic situation like sa work, sa relationship, yung ibang mga, ang dami nyo iniisip, oo. So, maari ring merong mga taong kumbaga pinupush ka to your limit, no? Yung tipong lalo pang nang aasar. Oo. So, ang exciting dyan is matatapos na yan. So, I feel like finally you are realizing na hindi mo kailangang magstay sa ganyang situation, toxic environment, for your peace of mind, no? You are realizing the things that you need to do. Oo. So, you have the King of Pentacles. This is about stability in your finances. Tingnan mo, you are on top of your game. You are on top of your career. Siguro kaya rin merong mga taong stressing you out because nakikita nila na nasa top ka, ikaw yung nag-excel sa iyong career, sa iyong situation ngayon. Di ba nga sabi kapag hitik ang bunga, binabato. Tama ba? Oo, basta gano'n na pag marami kang bunga, binabato nila yung puno na yon kasi gusto nilang malaglag yung bunga. Okay? So, some of you, ganun yung pinagdadaanan. And the surprising thing about this is kaya mo siyang ma-overcome. Kasi yung pagtitiis mo, tatapusin mo na, no? You are finally coming out of that situation. Some of you are going to be, maaring meron kayong leadership role sa trabaho, sa business ninyo, na ngayon, mas in control na kayo of your situation. You have the devil. Ooh. So, parang ito yung side mo na palaban. Ito yung side mo na you are taking responsibility. And I think itong mga taong ito yung mga pinagbibigyan mo no? Hinahayaan mo lang mag-take advantage sa'yo, sa kabutihan mo, sa kabaitan mo. But, ngayon, the exciting thing is maaring may babaguhin ka sa iyong sarili, sa iyong the way you carry yourself. And kasi itong devil card is someone, energy to ng Capricorn, no? Someone who is strong enough to handle any stress. Okay? You have the Wheel of Fortune. You are being led to your destiny. No? Meron kang bagong tatahakin. Some of you, a new career, a new opportunity, wherein mas kontrolado nyo yung oras ninyo, mas hawak nyo ang inyong mga desisyon. So, pwedeng yan, yung iba magkakaroon ng sarili nyong business or magiging self-employed kayo, no, with the energy ng King of Pentacles. So, you are changing things in your life. Maybe in your career. Okay? You have the 9 of Cups. You are choosing to be happy. Parang hinahanap mo ngayon yung happiness mo at pipiliin mo kung saan ka mas magiging masaya. Because the 9 of Cups is about wish fulfillment. So, maaring meron kang wish na matutupad. Oo. In 30 days. Like in the next 30 days. Let's see what else. You have the Strength card. So, this is your energy. So, talking about strength, meron kang lakas ng loob, no? Tiwala sa sarili mo na kaya mong malagpasan any challenge. Kasi, tinan nyo, this is a lion. And you're able to tame the lion. Kaya mong paamuhin ang isang leon. So, I think, rin, surprising rin dito para sa iba, no? Kung kayo ay nasa sitwasyon na parang may mga taong against you, I think marireverse yun, no? Mababago yon kasi meron kang mapapatunayan sa kanila without you even trying, no? Kahit hindi mo pinupursue or hindi mo pinupursige na i-please sila. Kasi alam mo na yung ginagawa mo ay para sa sarili mo, hindi para sa iba. And itong mga taong to na, taking advantage of you, may aring iba sa inyo, binubuli pa kayo, makikita nila yung power mo, yung lakas mo. Kasi ikaw, maninindigan ka na ngayon. You're going to show them yung mga kaya mong gawin. And baka sila ang masusurprise sa mga pasabog na gagawin mo. Maari kasing may mga tao ring naiinggit, no, sa'yo. Sa mga na-achieve mo, sa lakas ng loob mo, na hindi nila kayang gawin. Kaya, ang kaya lang nila is siraan ka, stress ka, maaring i-backstab ka, betrayal, ganyan. You have the tools that you need. You are very resourceful. You have what it takes. You're getting your SHIT done. So, ibig sabihin yan, meron ka ng kagamitan, no, para mas mapadali mo yung mga pagbuo ng pangarap mo, ng mga gusto mong i-pursue sa buhay, whether this is in your career, your business, master discipline. So, yeah, parang kumbaga, na-master mo na yung sarili mo. Kayang-kaya mo nang maging in control of your life. See, you are also learning a skill. You are also working smart. So, hindi ka na magpapa-apekto, magpapa-impluensya sa opinion ng iba. Oh, see, you are reclaiming your power. Yes. Sovereignty. Ayan. You are expressing your truth, yung iyong katotohanan. Parang it's like you are breaking free. Oo. Alam mo yung energy ng isang tao na madalas i-bully tapos naniniwala siya sa kanyang sarili, no? Sa kanyang kakayanan, and then nagbago ang lahat dahil ngayon palaban na siya. Oh my God. Phoenix. See? You are rising from the ashes. Di ba ganun ang Phoenix? Rising from the ashes. So, fire activating, being creative and spiritual freedom. You are empowering yourself. Yes, you are empowered. And also healing. Healing wisdom is surfacing. Stop and listen. Wow. Ang ganda naman. So, you're healing from your past and also ini-empower mo yung sarili mo to become a better version of yourself, transforming yourself. Okay? So, that is your reading, Leo. Thank you so much. Bye!